Hi everyone! Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat glitch. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat glitch, you should just go to settings. Then in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. After that in this list you will enter to Snapchat and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click force stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. When you'll find this page, you will click clear cache, and in the end you can go to your Wi-Fi here and you will turn off your Wi-Fi as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.